How to add a watermark in CapCut. Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a quick and easy tutorial on how to add watermark on your videos using CapCut, a fantastic video editing app. Whether you want to protect your content or promote your brand, adding a watermark is a great idea. So let's jump right in. First thing first, make sure you have CapCut installed on your device. If you haven't already, you can download it from Microsoft Store or their official website. Once you got it installed, open the app and you're ready to go. First, let's make a watermark. Click on Create Image. First of all, I'll add a green color in the background. Once I've added a green color, I'll add text. I'll change the font and make it bold. I'll decrease its opacity. Once done, I'll export it. Then I'll import the video I want to add watermark on. Then I'll import the watermark picture. I'll drag and drop it on the above layer. I'll select the green screen image, go to cutout and click on Chrome key. Then select color picker and I'll select the green color. I'll increase the strength and the shadow. I'll decrease the opacity and I'll place it in the middle. Let's preview the video.
One's best success comes after his greatest disappointments.
I don't like it in the middle, so I'll place it in the top right corner. Let's preview it again.
One's best success comes after his greatest disappointments.
Once you're satisfied with your watermark and everything looks good, hit the export button. Before exporting, you can choose the quality and format you prefer. For most YouTube videos, 1080 pixel is good choice. Then export once again. And there you have it. You've successfully added a watermark to your video using CapCut. It's a simple yet effective way to protect your content or promote your brand on YouTube. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome tips and tricks. If you have any question or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.